Tuahi, contestant number 7, top 7 ikaw do diw hitan. Sorry, top 7 ikaw do na wahi. Common written question na diw hiyan na. Judges, hockey ready na? Maybe mo kate, good! Okay. Ang mas kapay na ikaw do diw chingile, it's none other than contestant number 3! Evelyn! Hold the baby on there!
And the lucky number to go to another round is contestant number 4!
Hold the baby on there, piece of sin! Third spot now. Contestant number? It is none other than contestant number 8!
Beautiful serial number 2!
Contestant number 2! Aba na, pwede nga nag-insa na ba? Nata-insa mo, di ko pata. Tuwari, masamali ni top 4 hiyan na. Top 5 yung go. Top 5 ba din nga rin? Contestant number? Contestant number 12! Olivia! Tuwari, pwede nga nag-insa na ba? Contestant number? That's not point. Contestant number? Contestant number 1! Last contestant na ikaw, Dodin, tayo na. We have last contestant na ikaw, Dodin, here. Contestant number 5, Pepper! Contestant number 5. Mipi ho! Dok sa min ho, hinalungoy mo na! Amelo sa kway, adok mo sa kway, jing song jing, piu song piu piu de o! Mipi sa si, contestant nung si akin yung kabiyan bigyan de! Don't know how to arrange me lang tuwahi. Go on to read and answer the question that I... Don't know how to usher or hindi ano nga ay hindi arrange ko po. Standing right in front of you is none other than the contestant number 7 contestant. Nipitong si Kuda Mengil with this. Cô hiền lắm, bé cô chú muốn đi được chúng không? Hello. Question one. Kibangding answer to si Ina Lady on here. Are you ready? Nervous? If you want ite isi u alati so ite yung ito pwede na pero chung ite chongkhan ana thibuitin amo zo answer ya gyal ngai si chun. Maybe ho ite na thibugon sit in. Wait.
So each contestant are given 5 minutes to answer their question. So we would like to play music, but they get distracted. So we want full cooperation. For you to see a fair and square CHAVANG LANU 2018, please we need your full cooperation. Let's keep a full silence for 5 minutes, please, people.
Please. Zingan mi ta okay sa ita cha.
Kasi nga ito din tongkat to 5 minutes got Timothy on.
say ni tayo.
Asaro yung kunin haitan di pogde.
Common question to hile. Mobile phone, is it a boon or a curse? Give your reason. May sina kita may taw. Mobile phone kitini abay lamaga say di nga so hampan na ham ihilaw le saksin ham palaw ham na. Wait, stop on right. Okay, start writing. You have 5 minutes to write your answer. Nipi hot so hit le na ana lang base pote on.
Reminder, your question is, mobile phone, is it a boon or a curse? Give your reason.
Seven, six, okay, stop writing to understand, please.
Ibigay ko. We are one step closer to choosing the CHAVANG 2018, and it is getting real, it is getting more intense, and it is getting extremely hard for the judges and for us to pick the right person. But their path to becoming the CHAVANG 2018 lies in their answers right now. So, who do you support to be the CHAVANG 2018? I can't hear you. Who do you support? I still can't hear you guys. Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 4? Is it 12? I have no personal favorites.
Answer kami tayo. Until sa to hila ding dong na.
To answer in single day, oh, I'm on. I used to too. So we ask for your full cooperation again, not to make too much noise. Let's listen to what they have to write, please.
I'd like to follow contestant number 5. Mercy, has answered. Mobile phone he kay Geldan involved. Hamsit na sangin, hampat na langin aliyab so Azichu, mihim hohin, kipani, nomni, ahilaw zongle, dani hizongle, agam tepenin ikidel to te utawbe. Asin na dampi, sing zongle, mihim ho relation example la, gamda ka uho, to hihan lang, ilang ka uho to, adi zong, relationship hi adet sa zinge. Bible apps was on akinay theta tawin tiago na chun train we lang bus lang or anywhere we can travel, we are able to share the love of Jesus with others. Thank you, good Chibay. Contestant number 1, name me chongnay ngay mai simbi kite. Contestant number 1, please step forward. In my opinion, mobile phones are definitely a boon. The main source of communication today is through phones. We need it every day, be it to check time, date, and many more. Through phones, you can surf the internet where you can know about the world. While many may misuse it, however, it is definitely a boon for me. Thank you. Serial number 12, Olivia, please step forward. Mobile phone 2, til poi mo tha kha hi in emergency til ho zong 1 minute azong ki hil to the but amat didana manglawa simlai ho adinga lekha sim khat le sim na chang helawa game ki check hi apapoi a limit here amaye everything has a limit khona be api hote serial number 12 Olivia answer contestant number 8 Rosie Tingechin please step forward Rosie Tingechin answer sim de hi mobile phone has always been an important communication appliance in this present generation. Mobile phone is not a curse as it has helped us in many ways. Many things can be done through mobile like calling parents who are far from us, doing every kind of bank transaction, etc. For me, it depends on the individual. A person who knows God and who knows the beautiful things about the mobile will use it in the most significant and sufficient way out, and that will do no harm. Thank you. Serial number 4, Pahoy Kim, please step forward. Serial number 4, akin simha dihi. Kay ngay danin hantaw na dugzuin. Apay ibihile mihimin. Apo ahin. Apa iman le apan, asia iman le asin, lekha sim chulet na to na nay hoding in bangkoy mo penin ahi. Tulay kantaw matsal na to bihonin, asilang so amang tamsog tay hisong le, ay mapading kantaw ding igel dile, apalangaman ding ahi. Chuchu, serial number 4, pahoy him answer here. Contestant number 3, Evelyn Bahoy. Please step forward. I would like to say that it's a 21st century, so technology is used in every way and for many useful things. I don't think that mobile phone is a curse because if we use it in a meaningful way, it is very useful and helping hand for everybody. I think we should use wisely and use it in a limit so that we don't get disturbed by it, and by mobile phone, it's easier way to contact each other, so absolutely, mobile phone is not a curse for human being. Chuchu, contestant number 3 are here. Contestant number 2, name ngay Kim, make him marry. Ama hin ahin don bude. Mobile hi aphat na le asit na aun si e. Mobile hi azazi, aman chazi hi hodinga, hilpa chule. Closer boundary ahin among hil ho dingin manthana ahinome mobile hin lesit chunga mi pite hi connect abola gam choma kona gam gai na khat tu so thil so apeda thil so het sa theina ahin among team si he hodinga thilpa hi boundary closer chule tulai simlai aching thei modinga lekha simna le skill zil na azong apange chule mobile hin mihim te dinga lungmo na zong apnca kay dingin ba mobile hi aman sa zi moding hin thilpatha ahi kakipa that was contestant number 2 answer.
Give it up for all the contestant people.
Music please.
Amelo hay thi, atusuno hay thi na. So, before we move ahead and choose the right person for us to perform again, Puram Zoy Kong Sai!
Mi pi zau si Puram Zoy ading kun na bekil hunde.
Puram Zoy Kong Sai!
자, kami sa suke di orang bawa tusun bagi kisah dia. Aja lah siapa cinta yang le. Allah hingga lagi cinta sampai. Halo, halo.
Stage naman ang kanto yung topic nila. Yung ipatupi ka yung pinupin. Lang stage naman ang kanto yung pinupin. Usher mo, so hindi kita ulit mo.
Ibig nyo, this is matingin content din. in Chavang Lanu kita thelo dulu ya ho.
Judges was also to make pathway say me oh happy to come na be picking on their piso si judges so in mi piso si ko matunya kin introduce to kila ho judges sa may banpio mistress get in ama hi tunin hi ama husband na Captain Hunjen Air India ko tunin hi ama tinidinga anniversary hi in hisongle Chandigarh na anniversary bangdinga tigo hisongle e ho tuni chawang kun imanau ege hopi salva tuni ko na ai lai tin busy win ave alena mo comment patmi senzal puna na be piute Zejo na ma hi tuni ni buke khalu muki pinon men ipi sau si khabe ko na be piute
Ipi ako na de kan sakit. Buka kai ko de. Buka kai na sang sang yeng win dun hong dak. Allah sa ating leho yo. Kan sila na ngai yo.
Miss Personality in the head of Masad Iwahin. Pwede nga naging salwa, Miss Personality. Miss Personality goes to serial number 5, Marcy Gahoyhin. Quick, let's stop music.
The title for CHAVANG LANU second runners-up goes to, who do you think it is? Can you all say louder? Who do you think it is? But with a fair judge, the title for second runners-up CHAVANG LANU 2018 is
Contestant number 2, Nene Kim Mary. Ibisang si Puram. Hoy na sana ang second runners-up nuhi. Talong kayo na uwang. Ang ground ni Hoy timali ako sa ang hahi. Ladies and gentlemen, second runners-up, Miss Kim Mary.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the CHAVANG LANU 2018 first runners-up goes to, guess who is it? I can't hear you. Who is it?
CHAVANG LANU first runner-up goes to contestant number 4, Thadou Inpi. Ibisang si Puram music. Okay, ready? Kaya Puram music.
not been easy, okay? But with a fair and square judge from judges and the way they walk, the way they talk, and the way they dress, we have come to a conclusion in CHAVANG LANU 2018.